Hello, my name is Katie McNiffe, and this is my project for my honors pre-calculus class on careers in mathematics. While deciding on a career to research, I looked for someone that I know that I admire, look up to, and am inspired by. I quickly sought out Brittany Love, a civil litigations lawyer and community servant leader. I met Miss Love through Key Club, who was an LTG for Key Club while in high school. She has continued to serve her community and is now a member of Kiwanis, the parent organization of Key Club. I myself served as a lieutenant governor, LTG, this past year, and I remember after meeting her being awed seeing how successful she had turned out. Ms. Love works Monday through Friday as a civil litigations lawyer for Hartzell & Williams, PA. She spends 1 to 2 days in court giving case updates and reviewing different statuses of her clients. She spends the rest of her week managing cases. Ms. Love gathers data and evidence in order to gain a status of how to help her clients and win her cases. Every day, she researches different details about her cases and how to bend the laws to make it work for her and her clients. She does this by looking at previous court cases and new legislation. As a civil litigations lawyer, she must know how to quantify something that has happened because she knows that everything has a price. This is to make sure her clients are allotted their just amount. Something she deals with every day is family law. Here is a typical case. Miss Love has a client that is 35 years old and a mother of 3 kids, ages 6, 10, and 12. The mother is divorcing from the father and is requesting child support and spousal support. She has no college degree and was unable to find work. For the last 6 months, she has been homeschooling her children. So she is obviously unable to support herself by getting a job. The father has a bachelor's degree in business, has a steady income, and makes approximately $5,000 a month. So, if the father is making $5,000 a month, the children are going to be supported approximately $1,650 a month due to state regulations, and the spouse is requesting $650 for different costs like house insurance, rent, various things like that. The mother's total monetary needs are $2,300. So, Ms. Love would calculate the father's final income per month, which would be $5,000 minus $2,300, and she would get the father's final income of $2,700. Ms. Love helps people during their darkest times. Civil litigation lawyers assess family law, personal injuries, as well as company and civil lawsuits. She helps these people get justice for what happened to them and makes sure that they are okay. Without civil litigation lawyers, many people would not have the support they need. Ms. Love is currently working on a case, pro bono, for an unemployed woman with 5 children, one of whom has autism. Her husband divorced her and she was unable to support herself. Without the help from Ms. Love and other civil litigation lawyers, clients like these would be unable to survive and support their families. In high school, Ms. Love was an honors and AP student. She believes that taking the harder classes helped her prepare for college by teaching her to balance priorities and embrace rigorous classes. The math and science credits she earned from her AP classes transferred over when she attended Notre Dame for her bachelor's degree, so she was immediately placed into Calc 2. Her highest math class was Calculus for Business. For her pre-law degree, advanced math and science classes are not required to earn a degree. However, science courses like forensics forensics, criminology, psychology, or sociology are recommended in order to better understand a case. In order to become a civil litigations lawyer, you must have a degree in law, which you can earn by attending a law school. Many civil litigation lawyers earn a Juris Doctor degree, also known as a JD. This would require 4 years of undergraduate school and then another 3 of law school. Most law students majored in pre-law at various undergraduate universities. However, majors can vary from English to engineering to political science. Many undergraduate schools are available that offer these majors. However, some highlighted that I would be interested in attending is Duke University with a major in public policy, the University of Chicago with a major in laws, letters, and society, Rutgers University with a major in business, and UNC Chapel Hill with a major in public policy. After attending one of those universities, I would hope to be able to go to one of the following law schools: Rutgers University at Newark, Wake Forest University, the University of Pennsylvania, or Duke University. Attending 7 years of school costs a lot of money, so I would have to apply for several different scholarships in order to limit my student debt. The ABA Legal Opportunity Scholarship Fund would provide $15,000 for my first year. The Lloyd M. Johnson Junior Scholarship Program would provide $10,000 for each year of law school, so $30,000 overall. And the AAJ Trial Advocacy Scholarship would provide $3,000 for my first year as a law student. There are many different law firms I could work at as a lawyer here in Concord. Lancaster and St. Louis PLLC is one. Kuntz, Hawkins, Nixon, and Miller LLC is another. Baker, Billick, PA is yet another. These are just many of